Bad hair day for a lot of us out there if you step out without a hood or an umbrella.
Yeah, I know. You're going to want your rain boots today. If you use an umbrella, you'll probably want that too, especially this morning and early afternoon. Want to get you through your forecast. So it's wet outside this morning. We'll be in and out of the heavier showers. Temperatures in the upper 40s and low 50s here in the valley. This afternoon, we'll top out in the mid 50s, I think, with steady rain tapering off about mid-afternoon. And then we're drier this evening, but that dry stretch is not going to last very long. Few spotty sprinkles out there this evening, but overall a drier evening than morning. Here's a live look at KOIN 6 radar. It's completely lit up. You can see up north around Battleground, it's still really coming down. Some of the heavier rain is making its way into the gorge. Look at how soggy it is over the Coast Range and out along the coast. Astoria is getting hammered with some heavy rain right now. So is Cannon Beach and Tillamook. And I'll zoom out so you can see it's just a constant stream of moisture that's moving on into the Pacific Northwest all the way down to Northern California. It's what we call an atmospheric river. So storms are lined up in the Pacific and that storm track taking aim on us all the way through this weekend into early next week. Now, it's not only the rain, but high wind warnings posted across the state. Along the coast, it expires at 9 o'clock this morning. East of the Cascades, your watches and warnings last until tonight at about 11 o'clock. Here's a live look outside in Astoria. You can see the lens is very wet and it's gusty. Winds gusting to 44 miles per hour. That's ushering in some really quite mild air, upper 50s in Astoria this morning. These are sustained winds. So winds are sustained in Salem, 18 miles per hour. It's a blustery start to the day for many of us in the valley. Now, do you remember a year ago? To this date, we were talking about a lot of snow. I was down live in Salem reporting on inches of snow. By the end of the day, there were 5 to 8 inches of snow on the ground, and there were crashes everywhere. And this year, fast forward, we're talking about 50s and a lot of rain. It's amazing the difference a year can make. Okay, this morning, 6:45, really soggy. 7 o'clock, the rain's still coming down. By noontime, I think it's a wet lunch with a band of heavy rain moving through. That's the cold front. Finally moving off to the east later on this afternoon. By 5 this evening, if you have dinner plans or, even the evening commute, it'll be drier than this morning. But the rain fires up again early tomorrow. This is 6 o'clock on Saturday morning. We see steady rain switch to on and off showers in the afternoon. It'll be heavy at times. It's going to be breezy tomorrow, too. Even in the valley, gusts could top 30 miles per hour. Along the coast, 60 mile per hour gusts in the morning Saturday. Scattered showers increase throughout the day on Sunday, and then another potent storm arrives on Monday. So your forecast this weekend along the coast, rain and wind on Saturday, gusts to 60 miles per hour. Wouldn't be surprised if we get some watches and warnings for the wind there on Saturday. Scattered showers continue Sunday. In the valley, wet and windy on Saturday. Not quite as windy on Sunday, but will still be wet at times with highs in the 50s both days. Up over Mount Hood, the snow level down to 5,000 feet, which means the ski resorts could see some snow tomorrow. But on Sunday, that snow level's back at 7,500 feet, and it's just rain. Central Oregon showers both days, but windier on Saturday than Sunday. Okay, here's your 7-day forecast. A lot of rain on there all the way through next Tuesday. It doesn't look like we dry out until the middle part of next week with morning fog, afternoon sunshine, and temperatures unseasonably warm all the way through the next week.